Have you ever wondered how to say something exists in English? When you want to point out just one single thing, like that one, solitary apple, we use the tiny, powerful word is to match it with single objects. See, look here. There is a plant sitting on the shelf. Now, what if you see more than one item, like the stack of blue books? For two or more things, is simply won't work. We must use are. Check this out. There are two red chairs in the room, and asking a question is easy. We just flip the word order around. So to ask about the clock, you say, is there a clock? Simple, right? Well, congratulations. You've mastered it. There is and there are to talk about existence.